Hi, I'm Roxy.
And I'm Dave.
And we're Senpai. I've got some good news and I've got some bad news. I will be closing customs. Unfortunately, it's been really difficult to try and keep up with the shop orders and the customs and the vouchers, as well as trying to attend cons. And with my carpal tunnel being as bad as what it's been this last year, it's been difficult.
The good news is that fortunately we will have 5 custom slots available for February. This means that we will only start on them in February. This gives us a chance to catch up on our current customs as well as prepare for the final event of the year.
This year's been a little bit tricky because we've really tried to balance a lot of things. Unfortunately, I did bite off more than what I can chew, and I'm constantly sitting at a point where I've got an order list with over 20 orders and some customs that I just can't get to.
Which is not fair on those clients.
I feel incredibly guilty because I struggle to keep up with the workload, and there's been times this year that I've burnt out completely, which is not fair on you guys, and it's not fair on me either. I don't have a very good work-life balance, and there's been weeks that I haven't taken a day off. Along with the carpal tunnel and the increased workload, things like shaving for a long period of time really affects my hands, which makes it difficult for me to do work the way I used to, which means production has slowed down a lot. To make up for it, we've been posting a lot of old content to our social medias just to make things look active.
Now, recycling older content is also just an easier way for us to constantly remind people that we are here and just show off the work that we do. The thing is though that even though one of our posts might get 200 views, there's a lot of our clients out there or potential clients that may not have seen it. So that's why we repost a lot of the content that we have.
So a lot of the times it really does look like we're a lot more active behind the scenes when we're just making ears, which can take up until a month. I've been cutting, gluing, and assembling, and we're not even at the shaving or painting phase, and it's taken me 3 weeks alone. Then we constantly seem to run into issues with our suppliers where, due to the cost of living in South Africa, they've increased prices without notifying us, and I've been unable to buy paint for a very long time. We just recently restocked, which means I can finally push forward with a lot of the clients that I've been putting on hold for a while. So that's basically why we'll be closing customs. This allows me enough time between now and February to catch up on existing clients, and then I'll be able to just focus on the customs that I do take on from then forward. We're gonna try and see if we can attend Comic-Con Cape Town next year as well as the other cons. So what does this mean going forward? Not taking on as much custom work means that I'll be able to spend more time filling the shop with just standard products, which is a lot easier creatively to do. In turn, this will allow us to make more long-form content. You like my ears? I want to teach you how to make them. I want to show you how we go through everything step by step. I want to start creating more tutorial content as well as sharing a lot of our patterns. This will allow you to create the same ears we make. So what does that mean for Senpai? That means we'll have a little bit more time to spend stocking the shop with standard products. These are a lot easier to make creatively, so I'll have more time to focus on making long form content. We would like to teach you guys how to do what we do, and to do that we need more time to create, edit, and upload all of our tutorials. More time means more products. More products means we can create more interesting things for the shop. What I would like to do is also engage more with the community. So if we could start asking you guys, what do you want to see? We can start voting, and then based on what we get, we could start creating tutorials on characters that you love. This means we help you, you help us.
This change to the business model will allow us to spend more time on product development, which will allow us to bring you exciting new things.
I would just like to take this opportunity to also just apologize to all our existing clients, past and current. For anybody that felt like we dropped the ball, we are really sorry. It was never intentional. Sometimes things just got a little bit confused in the chaos. But we do feel very bad for it, and I do try to make every interaction with every client a happy one because I don't want to disappoint people. It's not fair on you.
That being said, if you feel that you haven't received an update recently on your order, please reach out to us. We are going through clients trying to make sure that we haven't missed anybody, but mistakes do happen. We do apologize for that, but once again, just feel free to reach out to us and let us know if you have any questions or if you require an update on your order. We just want to thank you so much for your support. We do appreciate it. Every single order, every like, every share, all of it, we appreciate it sincerely, and we can't thank you enough. If you like our content and you'd like to see more from us, please remember to like and subscribe.
I'm hoping that this change allows us to do a lot more things going forward. So thank you. We really appreciate it. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye!